Hello students, taking the next part of the excretion, which is the structure of nephron. Nephron is a long tubule structure differentiated into four regions. First is Bowman capsule, second is proximal convoluted tubule called as PCT. Next is loop of Henle, then distal convoluted tubule called as DCT, which later opens into collecting ducts through collecting tubules. The first part we're going to deal is the Bowman capsule. Bowman's capsule. Bowman capsule. It is a large double walled cup lies in the renal cortex and forms the beginning of the nephron. It contains glomerulus in it. Glomerulus are tuft of capillaries. Next, the Bowman capsule with the glomerulus together form or together called as Malpighian body or renal corpuscles. Next, the endothelial cells forming walls of glomerulus capillaries have pores between them called fenestrae. Next, the podocytes forming inner wall of Bowman capsule have gaps called slit spore between them. So they are the special type of cells. This both the fenestration, the pores and the podocytes. This facilitates the process of ultrafiltration. Ultrafiltration. The outer layer of Bowman capsule consists of squamous epithelium. This is all about the Bowman capsule. Next part we're going to discuss is PCT, which is proximal convoluted tubules. It starts from neck of the Bowman's capsule and highly coiled or twisted. It lies in the renal cortex. Its wall consists of single layer of columnar cells bearing microvilli on the free surface. This is about the PCT. Next part is loop of Henle. Loop of Henle. It is a U-shaped segment of nephron located in renal medulla. It consists of two straight parallel limbs, a descending limb which is continuous of PCT and opens up into renal medulla, and the other is a ascending limb which re-enter into cortex and get joined to the DCT. This is about the loop of Henle. Next part is distal convoluted tubules, DCT. Like PCT, it is greatly twisted and lies in the renal cortex. A short terminal straight part of DCT is called collecting tubule, which later opens into collecting duct. This is about the distal convoluted tubule. Next is collecting duct, CD. These are large tubes receiving the collecting tubules of several nephrons. They pass into renal medulla and join each other. Next, the collecting duct are lined by cuboidal and columnar. This is about the collecting duct. Now we'll see the structure of nephron. As if we have discussed all the parts, now the structure wise, as we have discussed, the first part is double shaped cup-like structure which get highly twisted this is highly twisted or convoluted near the Bowman capsule PCT. Now this PCT will form loop of Henle. This is loop of Henle which is having two parts, a descending and this one above going is, and then this part will get open up into the highly again convoluted which is called as through the collecting tubule, a collecting duct which through the kidney will open into. This is collecting duct. So if we see the overall structure, the cup-shaped structure will also have the tuft of capillaries which will interbowman and will form into this renal tubes will surround them and this is known as vasa recta. This will coil on upon this loop of Henle for the reabsorption. So now this is called as glomerulus. This is Bowman capsule. This is called as efferent arteriole. This is efferent arteriole. Now this part is known as PCT, which is proximal convoluted tubule. This is loop of Henle, in which this part is ascending limb thick and thin, while this part is known as descending limb of loop of Henle. This part is called DCT, which is a distal convoluted tubule. This part is collecting tubule which join the DCT to the collecting duct, and this long structure is called as collecting duct, which opens up into many collecting tubules of nephron. This region whole is the region called as renal cortex, and this region mainly in which the loop of Henle is concerned is known as renal medulla. This is the structure of nephron. This is the structure Thank you.